Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the missing downloaded files on Steam. So method number one is to verify the integrity of the game files. So guys, you have to note that some game files are not integrity or they are not verified, and this may cause missing files. So to verify them, just open up the Steam application, go to your library, and then right click on the game that you want to choose playing, and then choose the properties, and then tap on the local files and hit the verify integrity. As you can see, tap on the local files here and then hit on the verify integrity. After that guys, step number 2 says repair the Steam library folders. Open the Steam and then click on the top left corner. Once you do that, tap on the drop down menu, choose settings, click on downloads and then Steam library folder, and then choose the driver in which your game is downloaded, and then select repair folder. After clicking that, you see the three dotted icons. Alright, so step number 3 says clear the downloaded cache. How to do this? Open up the Steam application, then in the download tab, click clear cache and data. As you can see, you open up the Steam application like this. So come to downloads and then come and then tap on clear data and cache. Once you do that, you will have fixed it. And then that's it guys. Generally, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet once again.